Hello traders. In this video we will show you how to find and install the vfxAlert app on Google Play. vfxAlert is a mobile app for binary options trading. In one app, you will find unlimited forex, crypto, and OTC signals for trading with any broker, as well as a set of tools for real-time market analysis. Before we begin, make sure you have an Android device and internet access. Also, make sure you are logged into your Google Play account. Step 1. Open the Google Play app on your device. At the top of the screen, you will see a search bar. Tap on it and type vfxAlert. A list of results will appear. Look for the app with the vfxAlert logo and tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, tap the Install button. Now wait for the app to download and install on your device. This may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch vfxAlert. When you first open the app, you will see a registration screen. To register, just enter your email address and password. After registration, a quick tutorial will open to show you how to use the app. Let's briefly review the main features and settings so you can get started. How to use. Connect to a broker. If you are using a free account, use an email that has not been registered with the broker before. If you have a pro account, you can connect to your existing broker account. Open and select the type of signals you need. The app offers forex, crypto, and OTC signals with various generation algorithms. Choose the type of signals according to your trading strategy. Each signal panel displays the following data. Trading asset on which the vfxAlert signal appeared. Quote when the signal appeared. Time since the signal appeared. Recommended option expiration time. Algorithm used for signal generation. Option type. Call, buy, put, sell. Signal power displays percentage of profitable trades for a trading asset for one time frame. Heat maps display statistics of successful signals for each time frame under similar market conditions in the past. The greener the heat map, the higher the likelihood of a positive outcome. Analyze the market using dashboards. Dashboards visually display values of popular technical analysis indicators and help quickly assess the market situation for the selected asset. Choose the asset type in the app settings. The Trends tab shows the trend direction for different assets on different time frames. This tool is good for additional filtering of false trading signals in real time and helps quickly assess the situation and find a moment to trade. One-click trading. After analyzing the market and selecting the right signal, open a trade with a double tap. vfxAlert works in any country and with any broker. The main requirement is a stable internet connection. If your broker is not on the default list, add it in the app settings. Now you know how to find and install vfxAlert on Google Play. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to not miss new videos. Thank you for watching.